Yesterday, I finished reading the book Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, and oh boy, does that book made me question my entire existence. So, the book poses a question: if love is conditional, any love for that matter, the love your family has for you, or the people around you. Heck, I even started questioning whether my love for the people is conditional. It raises a question that if, as long as you are making yourself useful, you are worthy of that love. In my previous video, I am questioning a lot nowadays. And I do believe in one thing, that if you are questioning, that means you are evolving. So keep asking questions, try finding their answers, and keep evolving. That is number. I hate my teeth. They are my biggest insecurity. They are weird. And if someday I could find a way to fix them, I would love that. But I do not let it come in between my confidence. If someday I feel like it, if I want to, I smile all teeth. I revisit that one thing that I used to be obsessed with as a child. I used to be obsessed with the movie Narnia, the first one, not the second, the third. Those were like, meh. The first one was something that still holds my heart. I used to look at the cupboards and the doors like they would take me to the magical world of Narnia. And now I know that that was just my child brain. But recently I watched it again and it brings me to those memories. That was just so magical. I started appreciating and missing my younger self, who used to believe in magic and all things related to it. So try do that. Try to revisit that one thing you used to be obsessed with. When you scroll through social media, you see people doing stuff, going places, and while you are scrolling through it in your bed, wearing that same t shirt you haven't washed in a very long time because it's just that comfy, you think, damn, I want to be there. I want to do whatever people are doing. But to be honest, you don't actually want those things. You just like the idea of it. You don't actually want to go and party because you hate loud noises or people for that matter. But that doesn't mean that you should just stay home, do nothing in that same t shirt you haven't washed in a very long time. But do something that genuinely makes you happy, not just the idea of it. And also wash that t shirt while you are at it. Call your parents. You miss them and they miss you. I learned to help people without expecting anything from them. I don't help or do something for others and expect some kind of appreciation or reward. That to me feel like I'm doing it just to make myself feel better, and it just loses the whole purpose of it. I have learned to be grateful for the things that I have got. And that brings me to the next point. I've started appreciating things that I have at this moment instead of constantly running behind the next best thing. And that brings me to the next point, that is, I started focusing on the work instead of hyper fixating on the outcome, because outcomes are not in my hand. So, why should I worry about it? I've learned to be more patient. It's not easy, it's so hard, but I try. I try as much as I can. Keep your phone away whenever you are talking to someone. You don't like it when someone is half paying attention to you when you are talking. So does the other person. Where you feel yourself overwhelmed, just remind yourself to slow down. Leave everything, close your eyes for 5 minutes, focus on your breathing. In short, meditate for at least 2 or 3 minutes. It will help a lot. I also read a book, 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think by Brian West. I'm sorry if I'm not saying the name right. And there is this quote that I really like, which says, fall in love with the unknown for the fact that it will almost always bring you things better than you could have imagined. Things that are worse than you could have imagined are almost always products of your own thinking or perception of what they mean about you or your future. Think about it. Last but not the least,
तुम मेरी जिंदगी के बारे में जानते क्या हो?
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, लेकिन मुझे इतना मालूम कि तुम्हारे पास जो है तुम्हारे हिसाब से कम, लेकिन किसी दूसरे की नजर से देखो कि तुम्हारे पास बहुत कुछ है।
लेक्चर सुनना पड़ेगा।
सुनो, जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ, क्या पता कल हो ना हो।